Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to upload photo or any image in ChatGPT. First of all, open ChatGPT in your phone. I open ChatGPT and here click on this plus symbol and here you can just click on photos so that it will go to folders in your phone. Okay, so select any folder. Okay, I go to album and I go to camera and I select a photo here. Okay, this photo and click on done. So that photo is now being uploaded and here you can write any prompt. Okay, just I write explain what is written. Like that you can give any prompt and yes, it is being uploaded and it explained like it is a courier company ST Courier Private Limited, like that it is showing. Okay, so whatever you would like to do, yes, you can do it. Just upload any photo and whatever prompt you would like to do with that photo, yes, you can do it. Here I have just asked explain what is written in the photo. Okay, so it is actually a courier slip from ST Courier. Okay, so that is clearly given by the ChatGPT also. Okay, so in this way you can easily upload any photo or any image from your phone to ChatGPT. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.